Just want to do a quick little video on this 1987 Mercedes 560 SL. So everybody knows the 560 is kind of the cream of the crop for these SLs. Fuel injected, 560 being the 5.6 liter V8. Brand new tires, nice chrome wheels, very rust free. This car has zero rust anywhere on it. If you want one with rust that's red, I have one of those also. This does not have any rust on it. The front end is in very good condition, no chips, not beat up. This car was repainted about 2 years ago, so paint looks brand new, high gloss, what I call retail red. We also have the hardtop that goes with this car, painted brand new 2 years ago with the same color red. You can hear the fuel pump running back here. It's got a full carpet kit in here, it's nice. No stains. Couple extra belts there. VIN number here. Closes so nice. Done. Power antenna works. I'll show you the inside. Interior is really nice with a couple exceptions. I'll point them out. Door panels are good. There's a few scuffs here where your feet would go. Everybody kicks them when they get out. Carpet's good, a little bit of dirt, but other than that, it's really not that bad. It looks worse in the video than it is. This top has been replaced. These seats have been reworked. About the same time, 2 to 3 years ago is what I was told. Back seat's in great shape. And the underside of the convertible top, really nice. We'll show you original mileage, 129,399 is reported actual miles. All your gauges do work. Tachometer does work. There are some cracks in this little I don't know, fake wood looking applique. This is cracked. I'm sure this is very original here. And the customer here did tell me that this aftermarket stereo is not working at the moment, so I haven't delved into it. I don't know what it is, but I just want to be straight with you on that. And the dash does have some cracks. I do know that that is a bummer. Everybody tells me on these Europeans that the dash is important to not be cracked, but it is what it is. Headlights work. Let me pull the hood release here, or the bonnet, depending on what part of the world you're watching this video. Air conditioning does blow cold. Not sure I acknowledged that when I was in there, but the air conditioning blows cold. And I didn't get to the original. Door closes very nice, all original gaps. This closes even nicer. Just push this here, just push it down, closed. Very nice. SL runs great, automatic shifts great.